How to fix Assassin's Creed Shadow not launching or won't launch on PC problem. Let's see. First, you have to restart your PC, click the Windows Start button, select Power and then Restart. After this, run as admin. Right click the stream or Ubisoft Connect desktop icon, select Run as administrator. Verify game files. Stream. Right-click Assassin's Creed Shadows in your Steam library, select Properties, go to Installed File tab, click Verify integrity of the game files. Ubisoft Connect. Open Ubisoft Connect, go to your game library, then find Assassin's Creed Shadows, then click the three dots below the game title, then select Verify Files. After this, update drivers, Windows, graphics drivers. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Then download and install the latest drivers for your card. For Windows updates, click the Windows Start button, search for Windows Update and open it. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Check system requirements. Search online for Assassin's Creed Shadows system requirements. Compare your PC's specifications to the minimum and recommended requirements. Close background apps. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape together to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, close any unnecessary application. Reinstall game. For Steam, right-click Assassin's Creed Shadows in your library, select Manage, then Uninstall. After uninstalling, reinstall the game for your Steam library. Ubisoft Connect. Open Ubisoft Connect, go to your game library, find Assassin's Creed Shadows, click the three dots and select Uninstall. Reinstall the game from your library. Relink Ubisoft Connect. If you bought the game through Steam, go to your Ubisoft Connect account and look for linked account. Unlink your Steam account. Relaunch Assassin's Creed Shadows through Steam, and it should prompt you to relink your accounts. Follow the on-screen instruction. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe.